Joel down here at Mike's Off-Road. Today we have a 2017 Ram 1500. Came in for a rough country front bumper as well as a full light upgrade. With all the accessories of the light bar, the shackles, and the LED pods. And then besides just those, it also got a nice set of these Westin HDX running boards. They bolt right into the factory location. Makes it a heck of a lot easier to get in and out of your pickup. If you need any aftermarket accessories such as bumpers, winches, lights, anything that has to do with off-road, give us a call down here at Mike's Off-Road.